From where we stopped, still going through some jobs I did on Fiverr for my clients. So you get a first-hand experience of how I do these jobs and um, see how it goes. So I this one is a $140 job. The job is basically said. Okay, let me go to our communication. So he said he's looking for someone to write 7 city bios for his website, that they would be between 1,500 1,500 characters each. Not word characters, that means about 500 words for each, So he said SEO content is very important. I am behind schedules, blah, 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 blah. So I talked to him. I said, yes, I can. Can you tell me what your website is about? So he said real estate and great. Please, my great. Can you imagine? Like I said, please, I want to say, send me exactly what you want me to do. So, perfect. I'll send you exactly what I'm looking for as soon as I get home. I just want to know the cost, and so I went down, and he sent me this attachment, and he said he wants me to create content for him. Okay, this is the attachment. I think I've opened it already. SEO content. All right, this is it. So he said he wants me to write about each of these city here: Palm Spring in California, Cathedral, CA, Rancho Mirage, CA, and he wants me to write about them. Palm Desert, California, Indio, California, and all of them like that. So he wants to write 1,500 character each, which is not word. That means is, let's say, like 500 for each. So let me see. I think I charge him $140 for the job. $140 for the job. It's very very simple job to do. So all I needed to, and from the sample he gave to me, from the document, he gave me samples. Understand? So if some clients will even give you their competitors link, a link to their competitor's website, so you know what their competitor is doing. So what I did is I didn't just stress myself too much, since I already have that document. So what I did was I used I used that same document he gave to me, that same link. So what I did, I copied this one here and I opened it here, and we have for Palm Spring here, so we have content here. So this one is okay. So what I did, I just copied this one the way it is, and I gave to my worker to rewrite. So there's no big job there. So, but if I wanted to make research, I would have just gone to Google and copy this one. And he said he wants me to add these keywords: hiking, biking, horse riding, golf, and dining live in the content. So I'll just copy this one, go to Google. Okay, I think I was trying to make research for it before. So go to Google, and if you go to Wikipedia, you get content from Wikipedia. From Wikipedia, let's see, or just go down. So most of the content are here on Wikipedia, so you can just copy from here. No, there's no time. You don't have to waste time. Copy from this one and rewrite. That's it. Copy from this content. Copy, and then you copy from. Make sure you rewrite it to make it unique. So that's exactly what I did for this job. I for some of the content I used the exact ones he gave to me, and for the rest I went online and made research for them. I got some from Wikipedia. I got some from other sites like that, and I used them to I meshed them together, and I created the content and I wrote, and at the end of the day he was very happy. If you go back to if you check his review, check his review. So it said content was better than expected and deliver as promised. So that is just that for that. So it's simple. You see how easy this thing is. It's not like you're solving mathematics. All you need to do is just make research for the content, edit them, and give back to your client. I'm not saying your clients will accept the job. Most times, some will even reject the job, and all you need to do is okay, ask them what is wrong with the job, and they'll tell you what is wrong, and you just correct that point and you give it back to them. You know, so that is just that for how I did this one. It's as simple as that. So let's just continue the next video.